How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a pelvic floor workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be leg openings. We'll do 10 reps, we'll do 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. This is one of my favorite pelvic floor exercises to do. So let's get started. So go ahead and do these. All you're doing is opening your legs. Get in this position and just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Just like that. So, good news, some really good news today. And I kind of figured this was gonna happen, but today in the morning, it's now 7 o'clock. Got up at about 6:30, had a shower, did the usual, got dressed, did my hair, brushed my teeth, went downstairs, had something to eat, had some coffee. But before all that, I weighed myself. My lowest weigh-in was yesterday, actually, is 180.2. Today I weighed in at a 178.4, so almost 2 pounds dropped in a day. Super duper happy with that. One thing I was considering now is maybe just going to 175. I don't know if I'm gonna like myself at 170. That might be a little too skinny. I'm not quite sure. But I was thinking about 175. So we'll see once I get down to 175, which is only 3 more pounds. Then I will decide if I want to go to 170. Maybe I'll go to 173. Probably not. Either 170 or 175. Let's do another 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. So that's good. Yeah, first video of the day. So I like doing exercise. I like when my first video of the day is like leg openings, like exercises that I enjoy doing. That's my favorite to do. But yeah. Yesterday made 17 videos. I started and stopped. What I mean by that is when I start, that means I start making videos and then I stop. When I stop making videos. But I started and stopped about 3 or 4 times yesterday. So first thing in the morning, I made about 13 videos. Then at about 3 o'clock, I made about 2 videos. 5 o'clock or 6 made 2, and then like 9 o'clock made like 3. Something like that. It came out to 17 bits. But yeah, I don't like doing that. I like 2 sessions. Morning, afternoon, or evening. That's what I like to do. So yeah, 17 videos is perfect. 18 would have been nice, but I mean, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, anything in that range is plenty. And again, if one day I do 17, the next day I might do 19, so it equals out to 18. So it really doesn't matter too much as long as I'm getting in that range. The reason why I only made 17, I was gonna go longer, but my head was absolutely killing me. We bought some beer for Valentine's Day. We celebrated Valentine's Day a day before, so on Thursday. So Thursday I had 2 beer, Friday I had 2 beer, and then Saturday, which was yesterday, I had 2 beer. But the 2 beer yesterday hit me so freaking hard. My head was pounding. That's because when you're cutting weight, you have limited calories and the beers really hit you hard. So that is okay. The thing about that too is when you drink alcohol, you're not supposed to take any medications after. So I couldn't take Tylenol for my headache. So I had to wait like 4 or 5 hours before I could take Tylenol. And yeah, big mistake. But I mean, I got a low weigh-in today, so I can't really complain. I also had more calories than I wanted to have. I wanted to have 2,000 calories. I actually had 2,200. So I went a couple hundred calories over, but at the same time I dropped 2 pounds. So I mean, you can't really complain about that. I'll do that all the time. I'll go over by a couple hundred calories if I keep getting low weigh-ins. But yeah, it was pretty good. So again, if you guys are watching this, it's probably June 20th, somewhere along those lines. But today's February 16th. So again, I'm ahead by quite a bit. I'm ahead by 4 months of my videos, but what was I going to say before I forget it? Totally forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, my goals. That's what I was going to say. So I made some goals at the start of the year, what I want to hit for 2020. And I have 6 goals. I already failed one. That was to complete my medical transcriptionist course. I failed that because I quit doing it. After 7 months in, I have 5 months left, I quit doing it. So I failed my first goal, which I didn't fail any last year, and I already failed one. My first one failed already. Which is fine. I mean, you can't always. In 2018, I didn't hit 2 of my goals. That was compete again in powerlifting and complete the reading of the Bible. Powerlifting, I didn't even book an event, so that wasn't even close. And the Bible reading, I actually came within about probably 50 or 100 pages. 50 pages, I think. So I was really damn close, but I never got around to finishing it. Some stuff happened, so never got around to finishing it. So 2018, 2 goals, did not get. 2019, I got all my goals. 2020, again, I already missed one, but I'm happy because I'm almost down. I almost hit one. I almost hit my first one. So again, failed medical transcriptionist, did not do that, did not finish that. But my other goal was to go from 206 pounds to 175. That was the goal at 2020, at the start of 2020, was to only get to 175. I want to get to 170 now, but 3 more pounds and that goal is done. So that's pretty sweet. I'll have 1 goal passed, 1 goal failed, which is okay. I mean, you're not going to get all your goals all the time. Another goal I have of mine is 200,000 subscribers. So I'm pretty damn sure I'll get that. I'm already, if you're watching this video, I should be at 180, 190,000, hopefully. I mean, I'm at 155 now and it's February. So hopefully in June, 4 months, I average about 10,000. So hopefully about 180, 190. So that is my 3rd goal, is to get 200,000 subs. My other goal is to make 1,000 YouTube videos. That goal I should be able to get by the end of April. Sorry, end of mid-April. Mid-April I should be able to get that goal. And then I have 2 financial goals that I want to hit. I won't say that on there is kind of personal. So 2 financial goals, and right now the one I'm pretty close, and another one I should be able to smash. So should be able to get those. Oh, and another one was to continue doing my job for the whole year. So I think that's 7. But yeah, again, the rest of the goal, the medical transcriptionist wasn't that important to me, so that's fine, I didn't hit that. But the other goals, I definitely want to get. If I don't get any one of those other goals, I'm going to be super disappointed in myself. But really, really think it's possible to get the rest of them. So anyways, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Again, I appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. It really makes my day. Just keep subscribing, keep watching, and I'll keep making the video content. So again, thank you very much. I do appreciate all the support.